Hello Google, my name is Patel and today I would like to share my favorite place and one of most charming monument of our nation, the Statue of Unity. The Statue of Unity is built to honor Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, a great freedom fighter and first Home Minister of independent India. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, who united 562 different states of pre-independent India and make one nation. So it is also called Statue of India. The height of the statue is 182 meters. The location of the statue is near Sardar Sarovar Dam in Kevadia Colony, district Narmada in state of Gujarat. It is great treasure to a great leader and wealthless dignity to our nation. Thank you.